peak hour train. Off-peak tickets will be stepped up to the one-way fare. We have 8 cars on the train.